Exactly a year ago, we tasked our students with going through all the different AI tools for music production and marketing. And a year ago, we put together a really fantastic video, and you might have seen it, about our favorite tools from that bunch. But a lot has changed in the past year. So let's do an update. So in this video, we're gonna go through more AI tools that we've learned about in the past year that our students have tested that are gonna help you with the music and the marketing. If you don't know, I'm Justin. I run Cosmic Academy, and we're an artist development school. We've been around now for over 12 years, and we've worked with over 800 incredible music producers. And these producers, they get incredible results. They sign to Spinnin, Defected, Toolroom, Anjuna, Monstercat. They play the biggest shows like Ultra, Tomorrowland. We used to have 4 students play EDC in Las Vegas. So yes, we send our students on these missions, and last year's was try 100 tools and tell us what you think. Now, a lot of those tools in the past year or so, some of them went away, some of those companies went under, and new ones have come up. So we went back to our students and we said, hey, what are some ones that you've been using in the past 12 months? So let's dig into the new ones that we didn't go through last year that have either stuck around because they're really good or they're literally very, very new. Just to preface, some of these do cost money, but we have been completely unbiased. We're not paid to discuss any of these. It doesn't matter to us. But the first one our students like is called Laala or Laala.ai. This tool is really great for splitting stems. It's also great for extracting the vocals or the instrumental of a record. So if you're someone that does a lot of edits or a lot of remixes using a vocal of a different track, then you are going to love this AI for pulling out those sounds. Or maybe you're someone that likes to pull voices or sounds from movies, television, or just the internet, and you can do that with this tool as well. Obviously, you might not be allowed to use some of those for copyright reasons, but maybe you're doing it as an edit or for social media use, and maybe that's okay. Next one, and I can't pronounce some of these, so if I mess up the pronunciation, I'm very sorry. I think this is called Newtone.ai, and it's specifically the Morpho application. Now, a lot of these AI, you can't expect them to do everything. That's not the purpose of these. This one is really great to maybe give you inspiration. Morpho allows you to put any sound in, and it will spit it out into something completely different out of left field. And you don't even have to input music. Sure, you can input some piano or some guitar, but you can look at their demo, and in their demo, they're just inputting any noise, like the sounds of raindrops. And out of that, the AI comes up with some pretty funky stuff. So yeah, I think this one's really cool if you're looking for inspiration or sound design or some ear candy, and sometimes you just have writer's block, and this could help. Is this gonna come up with a great hit or the most catchy melody? Of course not. I truly believe that AI is not going to replace a producer, but that's for a different video at a different time. Next one, let's talk about music marketing. If you don't know, by the way, in our academy, we do focus on both sides, making the music, getting to a professional sound, and the music marketing. Because we believe, and we've seen from our students, you need both to get the results that you want. If you're interested in taking your stuff to the next level, our program only does very small, intimate classes, a lot of personalized one-on-ones. And if you're looking to apply, I'll put a link below in the comments. Always looking to work with great people. So for music marketing, there's 2 big areas when it comes to AI. There's text to image and text to video. So essentially, you're typing something and it comes out with a picture that's custom or a video that's custom. Canva is a free website, and within it, it has a really good AI. My students absolutely love Canva. We teach some stuff with Canva in the program. And what's great about Canva is you don't have to download anything. It's free, and it's just a website. And now there's an AI attached within Canva. So it's a text to image where you can type something in and it comes out with a picture. So let's say you need cover art for your new song, and you want your cover art to be a lion on the beach wearing sunglasses. You type that in, lion on the beach wearing sunglasses, and here you go. Canva also has an AI background remover. So this comes in handy when you need a flyer because you're playing at a show. You can give it a picture of yourself, whether you're sitting in your kitchen or you're standing against the wall, and it will automatically remove your background. But let's jump back to a music one, musicfy.lol. So I'm sure you might have seen ones like this in use on TikTok or on social media. It's a famous person or a rapper or a famous singer, but they're covering a song that makes no sense.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine.
and you can click on a voice. We can see there's Eminem, there's SpongeBob, we even have Shrek, and then you can make a song using their voice. I don't want to get into the legal issues with that because of course you cannot sign a record using Eminem's AI voice. No label will allow that, but you can make some very fun content with this. You can also use this platform to find a royalty-free AI voice. So it's like not a famous person. It's not Eminem. It's just an AI voice. And then you can use custom vocals for a song. So this is an interesting route to take if you don't want to work with a vocalist or you don't have any contacts to them. Staying with the vocal topic, the next one is Automie with 2es.com. James Hype famously used this one for one of his records, so you know it's got to be pretty good. We love James Hype. So this one is all about vocals. And there's a few cool things you can do here. You can convert your vocals, which you might not have good vocals, but you can convert them into AI vocals that are sounding a bit better. You can also mix two vocals, which is pretty cool. So you can take two vocals that you like, and maybe you like 70% of one of them and 30% of the other, and then you put them together, and now you have 100% of a unique combination. So there's some really fun things to play around on this one, so check this one out. Back to music marketing, InVideo.io. Before, we were talking about text to picture, and that's really good for cover art or doing your picture posts, but this one is video. So you type something in text and out comes moving images or videos. Now I want to be clear, sometimes it sucks. You know, some of these AIs, they're not great. And you kind of have to learn the language of AI and how to prompt it and talk to it. Like it doesn't know how to make certain things. Like it's terrible with hands or with fingers. I don't know, maybe robots hate hands, I have no idea. But InVideo is a very cool tool, but also coming out for video soon is going to be Sora. So Sora, when it comes out, will probably be the benchmark, the end-all be-all for text-to-video AI. I'll show some examples of what it's capable of here. So the company that owns ChatGPT is called OpenAI. They're by far the biggest company in AI, and they're the ones behind Sora. So it's not out yet, but when it does come out, game changer. Another music one that we like, drumloopai.com. So there's two modes here that you can use. There's AI Beatmaker and Text to Beat. Now, neither are going to replace a DAW or production, but as I said earlier, this is really good for inspiration. Let's say you've never made Tropical House before, but you want to give it a shot, and you need a beat, but you don't know what to do first. Maybe you come here, you type in Tropical House beat, and you see what it gives you. You know, it's a fun little AI to get motivated, to gain inspiration from. Not always should we just sit in Ableton or sit in FL Studio, or can we? Now, maybe you're just sitting on the plane, or you're sitting on a couch, or you're waiting for the bus. You're not going to sit on Ableton, right? But you can open up something like this and put together something fun, something quick, and then you have that inspiration for later when you're sitting at your DAW. Now, if you want 10 more amazing AI tools, check out the last video I did on these. I'm going to put that up here. It shows completely different ones than the ones we talked about today, and I'll see you in that one.